Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your girl Denise Joy, the designer for the homeowner who wants to make their home custom on a budget. In today's episode, I'm sharing with you how to take this $5 thrift store find and turn it into gorgeous seating. I picked up this nifty chair for $5 at my local community forklift. I call that the DIY for builders. It was super dusty, the cane was torn on the backing, but it had good bones. As a DIY geekster, I have reupholstered plenty of seats in my day. Chairs are one of the easiest things to reupholster. The challenge with this one was the cane backing. What was I going to do? You see, I was in the middle of designing a YouTube studio in my basement, and I knew that profile, that chair would go perfect. So I paid for it, took it home, dusted it off, and then pulled out some mudcloth scraps from my fabric stash. The seat was pretty easy to do. I just flipped it over, unscrewed the seat, folded the fabric in with the corners, and used my handy dandy staple gun. Bam. You loving it? Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. This entire project took me approximately 3 hours. The seat took no time at all. Honestly, I was done with the seat in like 15 minutes. The back, that gave me a run for my money. At first, I tried to save the caning, but it was just too torn. So I tore all the caning out and I was left with a big hole. Luckily, I had just enough mudcloth scraps to cover that back. I was able to carefully remove the thin strips of bamboo, take out the torn caning, replace it with my mudcloth strips, and then tack that caning strip on there to secure the mudcloth. Victory! Stay tuned. I'm going to share another quick upholstery on these mid-century chairs. But up next, the reveal. This chair didn't start out looking like much, but right now, I have to say it looks dynamite. You don't have to break the bank to get a big return on your imagination. Couldn't leave without sharing with you all this other thrift store find, a set of 2 mid-century modern chairs for $30. That's right, $30 for both of them. Now, I didn't do this reupholstery myself. I had this done professionally, but I did select the gorgeous bold fabrics. Contrasting fabrics are a surprise and give your room a little adventure. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click a link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. I will see you in the next video.